Hey guys, it's Vicky with Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois, and today we're going to take a look at this 2021 Fuzion 429. Starting off on the front of the unit, you do have a large storage space here. Below that, you've got an Onan generator, and we will make our way around this side of the unit first. So you can see that you've got a large pass-through storage space here. Here's your battery disconnect, cable and satellite hookups. You've got a spray port here, city water fill your tank, and your gray tank and black tank drains. And then you also have the ability to winterize from here. Moving towards the back of the unit, you have an auxiliary tank. And I'll go ahead and get this unlocked here. You do have a hose as well. So here's your ramp door. There are supports on the back of the ramp so that when you let it down and you use it as a patio, you have extra support. We will start moving towards the inside from the back of the unit. So this is the garage. It does have the Z-Track tie-down system. And you've also got a couple extra tie-downs there. It's got the More Ride patio system as well. And there is a pull-down screen right here. This is the Happy Jack bed system. So this is a queen-size bed, and it comes down about halfway. And these come down and they fold out. You can either fold them out into booth style seating, or they can fold out into a bed. It does come with a set of stairs for the patio and a rug for back here. Up here you've got some cabinetry along with a TV. In the bathroom you've got a vanity, of course you got your toilet, you got a medicine cabinet, a nice little window. This unit does come with a washer and dryer hookup. From the garage, you move into the kitchen, and you've got a massive Norcold refrigerator here. So you've got storage in the doors, drawers down below, and plenty of shelving. That's the refrigerator, and the freezer is large as well. You've got a huge High-Point microwave, a 3-burner Furrion cooktop along with oven, and a matching drawer to store your pots and pans. And some extra counter space here. Plenty of cabinetry, more cabinetry over here. Up there you do have a bed. It comes with a ladder. And then you've also got more cabinetry down below, along with a large single basin sink and a pull-down sprayer. Here's your dinette. There are 2 chairs already out that do have storage underneath the seats. Plenty of windows. And then there are also 2 chairs behind this one. On your entertainment center, you've got a large fireplace, your radio, huge TV, and plenty of cabinetry. And then you've got an L-shaped sofa with 2 recliners, and it is lighted, heated, and has massage. And there's also a large window on the side. You've got plenty of windows in this unit. They are tinted, so it helps keep it a little cooler in here and nobody can see in. In your bathroom, you've got your large vanity, medicine cabinet, and shower. And then this is a neat feature. It comes with a laundry hamper. And in your bedroom, you've got your bed, more cabinetry, a couple of windows, and a closet on the slide. Come check it out at Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois.